In this video, we will be looking at TBC 2026.10 Connected Workspace Enhancements. I will show you the current workflow we now have for creating a connected workspace project and how to share the information relating to this throughout the Connect environment. Let's now take a deep dive into the connected workspace enhancements we made for Trimble Business Center 2026.10. You can now share your Trimble Business Center coordinate system with Trimble Connect, and that means that anybody that uses that Trimble Connect project will now have that coordinate system available. It filters down to Trimble Business Center projects and Trimble Access jobs. We can also now create Trimble Access jobs directly out of the connected workspace with all the relevant information being transferred that way. Let's have a look at how this works in Trimble Business Center. Click on New Project, and you will now see you have your Connect project option over here. Simply go to the correct project and give your TBC project a name. I will now just keep it at a blank template and open up the project. Once that is done, I will go and set my coordinate system in TBC. And once I've set the coordinate system, I will import some data. Changing my system to the correct one that I need. That is correct. Good. My system is set. Now I will import my data. Once that is done, we'll just some line work so you can see how that works when you want to transfer data. There we go. And I'll just quickly do my feature code processing. That means I will then have a feature code file that I can actually send to Connect as well. So once I've selected my feature definition file, I will quickly run through the process. And I will now ensure that the line work is done, as well as the feature definition file that I can also share with Trimble Connect. I'll just quickly switch off those. There we go. Good. So now you can see this is what I currently have. Now that I'm happy with all my information and I now want to set up my Connect project with all the correct information, click on your connected workspace. It opens up the command window for you. Now I can make sure that is my project. So you can jump between different projects over there. And then you can see what current workspace for Trimble Business Center you have available. The first thing I will do is I will go down to settings. Now you will see we can publish my feature code library. So let me do that. It will take the information from my TBC project and publish it. So now when anybody else opens up a Trimble Access job file, this feature definition library would be, feature code library would be available to them automatically. This you need to switch on, project file configuration. This is where we enable our Trimble Access project files or job files so that you can generate them in the connected workspace. And down at the bottom you can now see not synced. So as you can see, the Connect project has no coordinate system defined, and it picks up that you have a coordinate system defined in Trimble Business Center. You can simply click on the arrow to transfer it. If somebody set up a coordinate system in Connect and you want to bring it back down to TBC, the opposite works as well. Simply click there, it would sync, and now you know that your coordinate system in Connect and Trimble Business Center is synced up. If you want more details on the coordinate system, simply click on details, and now you can see it gives you a summary. You can go down, view the geoid. If it's a local site, you will see the details, site calibration. All that information will be shown up there. So that is how you can quickly set that in Trimble Business Center. Now that I've done all that, the next thing is I would like to create a job for Trimble Access. Click on the field data. If you have any field data jobs here, you will see them. You can simply now create. And that opens up the Create Field Data command window in Trimble Business Center. You can see the project, give the job a name. So I'll just go with as will check. You can give it a description. So if you want to have a description for the jobs, so whoever gets it knows exactly what they need to do, you can give it a full description. If you have multiple people assigned to this Connect project, you can choose who needs to go and get this information or who this should be assigned to. You can add tags, and then you can select the relevant information that you want to add to this Trimble Access project. I will just select all. You can see there you can even create a new folder if you want to just stick it in field data, or you have a field data folder. You can actually go and select where in the Connect project you would like to save this Trimble Access job information. Click on Create. As you see, the project has not been saved, and we would like to save it, so we make sure everything is going correctly into Trimble Connect. There you can see you can now create a folder if you want to, if you don't have one, or you can just leave it in the root folder, and you can change the name here if needs be. Simply click on Save. That sends the data and creates the job file in Trimble Connect. When it's done, you will get that it has been created successfully, and you can then close the command. Now all your information has been sent to Trimble Connect as a job file. If I now jump over to Trimble Access, I will then go to my job or my Connect project. It will obviously check if all the needed information is there. Just put project height quickly in there. Accept that. Skip past this one because we already have a job created. You don't have to do that. Skip past that. Now you see there is my job file that I created. Download that information, and there you go. You have your information for this job in there. If you go into your job data and you review the job, you will now see that coordinate system and everything has been updated accordingly to this. There's the coordinate system, and you can see that pulled through directly into Trimble Access where you created it. So that is a quick and easy way to make sure you have all the needed information for your job. That concludes the overview of the enhancements we made to the connected workspace in TBC 2026.10.